Hello, this is Lanny again from Spend a Day Marina. Hey, just wanted to show you how to set up your Bluetooth on a Kicker KMC 45. Most generally, we're going to have the Kicker stereos in most of the Benningtons. Some of the other stereos that we will have will be Rockford Fosgate and a couple other ones, but this is the most common one that we'll set up. It's pretty simple. Basically, what you do is make sure you have your accessory switch on over here to turn on the power to the stereo, and hit your source button and go to BT Music, which stands for Bluetooth Music. It's pretty simple. Grab your phone. Basically, I have an iPhone, and I will go to turn on my Bluetooth, and I will find Media Center. And I am connected now because we're looking for Media Center, and it will sync through your phone and it will connect, and you can play through Pandora. If you have music on your phone, you can go directly through any application, iPhone, Samsung, whatever you have. So that'll make for a fun day on the lake on the weekends. You know, with the kids, they'll be able to enjoy their music on their phones as well. You may not like some of their music that they're playing, but you will definitely get a chance to play that as well. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. 937-843-3036 is our number here at the office. And again, this is Lanny at Spend a Day, and I would be glad to help you out.